Are you interested in saving money and the planet? Well, today we're in Littleton, Colorado in the Ken-Caryl Ranch neighborhood looking at homes by Lennar. Lennar is the first builder to use geothermal for heating and cooling in their homes, and this community is the first community in Colorado to use it. So here we are taking a look. This is the Pinnacle model. Let's check it out. All right, let's check out this home. When we first walk in, you can see right back into their great room there. And right here at the front of the house, we find a nice, cozy home office. We have just a little hallway right here with a coat closet and the powder bath. And it opens up into the main living space. First thing that we come to here is the dining room. And into the great room. This is a nice, spacious great room, great big windows looking out towards the backyard. And then into the kitchen. I kind of like the L shape going on here, adds some interest. As you can see, island right over here, sink and dishwasher right in the island. A good amount of countertop space and cabinets in here. Right over here, this is going to be the stairs leading to your unfinished basement, garage, and pantry. Want to point out here, right off the kitchen, is where you're going to find your sliders that lead out onto your deck or patio. Alrighty, that does it for the main floor. Let's head back over here to the stairs and check out the second floor. Welcome upstairs. Now we find the primary suite right over here, but stay tuned till the end. We'll check that out last. Coming down this way, you're gonna find a second floor laundry. First secondary bedroom has a nice big walk-in closet. Secondary bathroom shared between the bedrooms up here. Linen closet and next secondary bedroom. And then coming back this way, final secondary bedroom, great big walk-in closet. Do want to let you know that Lennar has great financing options right now. I'm seeing interest rates below 5%, so keep that in mind, saving money when buying a home. Okay. Here we are to the primary bedroom. Nice, spacious primary bedroom. Those windows there are looking out towards the rear of the home. And then into the bathroom. Double sink vanity, window in between, letting in some nice natural light there. Shower. Toilet closet. Big walk-in closet. And a linen closet right there too. Want to point that out. My name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. Again, we're in Littleton, Colorado in the Ken-Caryl Ranch neighborhood. You have amenities or access to all of the amenities in Ken-Caryl Ranch for a low, I think it was $78 HOA fee. Lots of amenities, pools, like miles and miles of trails. There's even camping there. You have access to all of it. Again, like the great interest rate incentives they're doing. And also, if you use me as your realtor on the purchase of your new home, I also do a closing cost credit. And of course, would love to help you negotiate on your new home. So thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours, and have a wonderful day.